Hello guys and welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I will tell you that how you can use chat GPT for content creation, or even you can use it to get some ideas. Okay, so let's suppose that you have a YouTube channel. So you are starting a YouTube channel, and you don't know about the content that you want, or if you have something in mind, you don't know that how to make that type of content. So what you can do here, you can ask from it, give me some content ideas on C++. Like if you are planning to start a YouTube channel where you will teach C++, so you will ask from it, give me some content ideas on C++ for YouTube channel. You will hit enter and it will give you the content ideas on C++. Now as you can see that here it's saying that getting started with C++. This could be a series of videos aimed at beginners who are new to programming and want to learn C++. Like you can create a basic C++ playlist, and then object oriented programming, and then C++ standard template library, then C++ tips and tricks, then C++ projects. Like this tool is amazing, man. You just have to ask question from it and it will give you answers. Okay, so now we will ask from it, we will actually copy this from here and give me some content ideas, give me some content ideas to post on TikTok. So you will just click on this one. Here are a few ideas for content to post on day in the life videos. These views a glimpse into your daily routine. If you don't know that what to post on TikTok, or what type of content to create for TikTok, you can just ask from it and it will give you tons of different ideas, behind the scenes videos, how to videos, challenge videos, Q&A videos. That's how you can use this tool for the content creation. So I hope that you like this video. If you found this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.